Thank you, Elizabeth, for inviting me over. I needed to learn how to reprogram my thermostat, and maybe that's the problem. Maybe I need to replace it. So, thank you for allowing me to watch you replace your thermostat.
Well, you know, Kalima, you're just my best bud, and this is my first time doing it. Philip Holt, a lot of you guys know him. He's a friend of mine. Gave me this fancy schmancy Honeywell, and it's digital. So it stopped working. I thought, okay, maybe it just needed some new batteries. Turned out to be the case. I put the new batteries in, so the display is really dark now. The only thing is, I did drop it on the floor. When I put it back together, oh, the little click things, it's not clicking. So I said, you know what? I just needed just a simple, good old-fashioned, non-programmable, I don't care what day of the week it is, coming on at a certain hour, turn it off. Nope, just a regular, non-programmable thermostat. It's the Honeywell CT87N, and they call it the round. So we're going to take it out of this box. Throw that up there. So it's a good old-fashioned kind. There's a couple of things I just want to point out that I learned because I watched a bunch of videos, and over here to the right, it has these different little letters. So it has G if your wire is green, W if your wire is white, Y if your wire is yellow, and the R, the red one, is way down there. And then these two little, the switch up here, it makes you think it doesn't make sense because it's F and an E, but what is that? E if your system is electric, you have electric heat, but I don't. And the F is for fuel, so it doesn't matter if it's gas or oil, so I have to switch mine down to fuel. So now I'm going to take this thing off the wall. And then you're going to see, well, first of all, see, so I just replaced that. And then, oops, sorry, let me get the, so now you can see the hole. Oh, shucks, I don't want to touch that. I have to go downstairs to the basement. But that's the hole in the wall. So we're going to go down to the basement now. Okay, you ready?
All right, so we're coming into the basement to make sure that we stay safe.
Yep, Elizabeth is going to turn the electricity off on the side of her boiler right here. So I'm just going to flick this switch down. So now there's no lights on down here at all. It's off.
Okay.
So I don't have to turn off all the lights in the whole house. I just want to turn it off for the electrical system going to the boiler.
Well, that's really important. Thank you. We have to stay safe.
All right, here we go. Going back. All right. So now I'm going to, oh, it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So I'm turning them to the left. Should be able to get this thing off. There you go. They're off. Oh my gosh. See this? I stuck that there a long time ago. No, it's not for this. To tell myself what color paint I wanted to paint this room when I first bought the house.
That is funny.
I know. Haven't done any painting since I bought this. All right. So this. Oh, the other thing you have to remember is because it's this kind, it has to be facing up, and it has to be level because the mercury inside of it. That's how it's going to be able to tell you, if it's the right temperature. So. What I didn't do was look at this. Okay, there it is. On this faceplate, it has the word up and a little arrow right there. I don't know, can you see that?
Yes, I see.
All right, there we go. Let's see. Let's pop that puppy like that. Nothing seems to be going on.
Well, that's really interesting. I would not have thought about turning off the power in the boiler. I'd have thought about the main electrical panel. So thank you for identifying that.
Yeah, hell yeah. Try to make it easy. All right, so that's how it's going to go. Okay, it's day 2, and I'm going to put the back plate on, and this seems like it's sturdy enough. I hope it is. I don't have my friend Kalima with me today, but let's just see if I can get it on here and move on. Make sure it's going in the right direction. All right, then you have to match up these little pins. So now I'm gonna go down to the basement, turn the electricity on, and see if I can make this come on. So it says it's 70, so to make it come on, I'm gonna turn it all the way to 80. So if you recall, here's a little switch right here, and turn that on. So now the light is on. Whoa! And it just came on real fast. It's working. Zone 1. So that's the first floor. So now I'm gonna go upstairs and turn it off and make sure it goes off. All right, I'm back upstairs, so I have it at 80. I'm gonna turn it down. Oh, and it went off. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. And ta-da! It's off. It's just showing that it has power, but zone 1 is not on, and that's what's supposed to be because I turned it off. So I'm gonna have heat on the first floor.